All right, so I've taken off the first layer, and this is what remains. Look how clogged up this is. Look how clogged up that bad dad is. So I'm going to take that off next. This is what I've taken off right now. That had a little bit of a buildup on it. I don't know if you can see. Not as much as this second, or the primary. This is where the clog is. Oh, the screening on this is what it is. Look at this. That's a finer screening. This, they put on, I don't know, what is that, 1/8 inch? They went from a 1/4 inch wraparound to an 1/8 inch. So this is absolutely no when you're doing anything with your chimneys. Yeah. All right. So that solves that. That thing's complete. It's almost like a window screen. So anyways, here we go.